Today we are making this flavorful and exciting meal, a signature coconut rice paired with stir-fried vegetables. Hi, welcome back to Royal Eat With Kitchen. We are so happy to have you. Please subscribe to our channel if you have not. Thank you. Let's start with the protein. I'm using chicken for this recipe. Feel free to use any protein of your choice. So we're starting here because the chicken is playing an important role in this meal that we are making. So clean your chicken properly, add some spices and seasoning to it. We are using onions, curry, thyme, ginger powder, cayenne pepper, and some chicken seasoning. Add all the spices and the seasoning to the chicken. Mix until everything is well incorporated. Make sure it touches all the meat. Take your time to do this. Please use any method that you will know how to use best to do this. You can use your spatula, your spoon, your hand to mix the spices into the chicken. I later added fresh ginger to it. Now that everything is set, let's go ahead and put it on fire. Allow it to steam without adding any water to it. When we come back to check it, you will see how it's looking. Now let's prep the vegetables that we're using. I'm using carrots and some green beans. We are done prepping the vegetables now. Let's check the meat. So let's open the pot. As you can see, the chicken is doing well. Let's go ahead and turn it. See, the chicken has released a lot of water. So you don't actually need to add water to your chicken when you are starting to cook it. So I went with a bit of water so that everything can cook very well. I don't want a hard chicken, so your preference will depend on how long you are going to boil your chicken. Yeah, let's fry some of those chicken. You can spice your oil before adding the chicken. I added some onions. I'm frying the chicken to add a bit of texture to it. I'm not going to fry it too much. And also to add flavor to the oil that we are going to use in making the rice. You get? Yes, you have to do this. For me, this is perfect now. So I'm going to take it out of the oil. You can fry a bit more if you like. But for me, I like it this way. Yes, we also fried some plantain. You see that oil we use in frying the chicken? Add some of it to a pot. Add onions, fry until it's fragrant. Add some tomato paste. Fry until it's very dry. Make sure that the tomato paste is dry, but don't burn it. This is pepper mix. We have bell peppers, cayenne pepper, Scotch, bonnet. Yoruba will call it atarodo. And we have also fresh tomatoes and onions. So we're going to be frying it. See, I'll spice it with thyme, curry, and also season it with some chicken seasoning. If there is excess oil on your stew base at this point, scoop it out. Because coconut milk contains oil, to avoid excess oil in your rice. So this is our coconut milk. We'll add it to the stew base now. I prep the coconut off the camera. You can just buy your coconut, break it and take out the shell, blend it with water and squeeze out the milk. So bring everything to a boil like this and add the stock from the chicken or the protein that you are using. It's time to add the rice to the pot. Now we have already washed this rice properly. To wash your rice, you will need hot water. Soak the rice in the water for 5 to 10 minutes, then wash until water runs clear. Stir in the rice properly, cover the pot, allow this to cook on a very low heat, and you are going to be checking this rice like you check it often. This is the second time I'm checking it now, so fluff it up and you cover the pot again. You'll be checking it until you see that there is no trace of water in the rice again. Come, let's check the rice again. This is like the third time I'm checking the rice again. So you have to check the rice to make sure it cooked evenly. So I'm going to cover the pot one more time, and when we come back, it will be ready. We are back to check the rice, and finally the rice is ready. You can see that it's so good. The rice, they are standing all by themselves, not muchy. It is just perfect. So we'll go ahead to do. Let's make the stir-fried vegetables now. For this, we are using coconut oil. Add little of it to the pan. Add some onions and fry it. We want bites of chicken in the rice, so we have cubed some chicken and marinated it for some time. So we are going to stir it until the water in it has dried out completely. You can see it has released some water, so you keep stirring it until there's no water in it again. Then add the vegetables that you are using. You are using carrot and green beans. Keep stirring it, and then add some seasoning to it. We also added some sweet corn to it. Cover it for a bit. You don't want it to take long, just for like a minute. You don't want your veggies to be soggy. So it's ready now. Let's go and add it to the rice. This is beautiful. You want to make this beautiful meal. I tell you, this meal will just excite you. It will make your day. So let's mix everything together. Mix it properly so that all the veggies get to all the corners of the rice. You see, this meal is bursting with flavor and packed with nutrients. Everything on point. Let's plate it. You see that? This is a satisfying and wholesome meal for you to make. Use it to celebrate yourself. You see this plantain? Don't skip it. You see that chicken that we fried? Let's add to it. Add some coleslaw to it. Make sure to try this recipe and let's know how you like it. We believe in making meals that nourish both soul and body. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.